Hey YouTube, check it out. Found another free mower, and it looks like I do not have to do anything with it because it says it still runs, and I have not attempted to start it. Let's check it out. Gas tank is dry. Put some gas in it. Let's see how the oil looks. Looks clean. It's leaking. Probably just a fuel line disconnected, and that's the reason why it's free. Here's that free mower. It's been sitting here for a month or so. The first time I looked at it, the fuel just leaked. I think it's the fuel line or the carburetor. And I'm not sure if you guys remember. Free mower, both are up and running. So yeah, let me look at it and repair it. Hang tight, I'll show you how. The lawnmower is now on my bench. Let's take a look, open this up, and see if it's the fuel line or the carburetor. I see 1, 2, 3 bolts. Let's go take them out. Everything's off. Carburetor's right here. Fuel line is actually on. Hang tight, let me show it to you. Yeah, the fuel line is actually on, so the issue is the carburetor, right? So let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, fuel line. Yeah, stuck that in for now. Alright, you got 1, 2, and this one on top. Here it is. Let's open this up, clean it up. It's always best to clean the outside of the carburetor before you open it up, right? So hang tight. I'm also going to take this off the bench so I can focus on the carburetor. New spark plug, gasket, the valve. I think this is the main reason why the fuel is leaking. So if it's not seated properly, or that little gasket right there, it's not seated properly. If it is worn down, fuel will just leak. So I think this is the issue, right? Also got a new filter, and of course a new float. And let's clean it up. I got a bowl here so I could spray it. Hang tight, let's clean the carburetor. Let's open it up. What? Well, here's the thing. This float is supposed to be right here, and the valve should be sitting there. All I see here is the valve right here, but there's no pin. Where's the pin? I don't see the pin right there. It disappeared. That's why the fuel was just leaking, right? So that's your problem. Just spray everywhere, and you should be okay. Just clean it up. I sprayed here, right there, here, the butterfly, right there and right there, here, 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 and of course just clean it up everywhere. Let's go ahead and assemble it. Here's that old float, right? It's missing the pin, and if you're in a bind, you could actually use one of this nail, stainless nail, right? It fits just fine. Just have to trim it. But the new one, the new float, comes with it right there. So that's a good thing. Let's go ahead and assemble it. Let's put the old parts away so I don't mix it up. There it is. Alright, here we go. And here's the valve. Right there. Beautiful. Slides right there. You see that? It's in place, and it lifts it up and down. And a new pin. Awesome. Goes up and down. Excellent. Let's put the gasket in. Here's the old one. Beautiful. Okay, let's tighten it up. All right, let's slap it on. Slide this back in right here. Three-eighths. We'll tighten that up and tighten it later. Line this up right here with the butterfly, right? And of course this one goes right here. There it is. Perfect. Border. All right, all is good. And there it is. Beautiful. All right. Here we go. Put it back in. Now let's tighten this up. That's good. Right there, got the new gasket on. Slap it on. Here we go. That's one. Two more. New filter. All right, let's slap it on. One last thing, the spark plug. Let me go ahead and change that. The plug. Got the new one right here. FF10. Holy smoke. Look at that. That is extremely wet. Put some anti-seize on it, on the thread, and we'll insert it in.
That's fine.
Excellent. Alright, hand tighten that. Doesn't need to be extra tight. Just hand tighten it. Good to go. You are good to go. My spring order came in. Got the Air Vane Spring and also the set of Briggs and Stratton springs, right? But we actually do not need this for this lawnmower. We just need this too right here. Let me show you how to install it. Hang tight. Take a look. Install the main spring right here. And this is actually where you adjust your throttle, right? And if you want to adjust that throttle, all you have to do is grab a pair of pliers or vice grip. Either you swing it that way to increase the throttle, and of course bend it this way if you want to lessen the throttle, right? And the other spring, called the Vane Spring, it attaches right here and right here. Let me go ahead and mount that. This is the Vane Spring. Let's go ahead and mount it. There it is, fully installed. Got the Vane Springs attached right there and right here. And this is the governor spring connected right here and right there, that little eyelet right there. And if you need to increase the throttle, all you have to do is grab a pair of pliers or vice grip, and you could bend it right or left if you want to adjust it, right? If you want to adjust the throttle to increase it, just bend it that way and it will increase it. I got my pump here, and I just want to show you. Take a look. Fill line is that second hole right there, and it's right here. So hang tight. Let me pump some oil out. You go on time lapse. The new springs installed properly. Increase the throttle a little bit, so now it's purring like a kitty. Let's go ahead and start it. Well, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. Another successful project. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.